Get that lower one out first. The casing is cracked.
Copy that.
Making a note now.
All right, bring it over the shredder. Roger that. Clear below, dropping the load.
Keep it coming. Pull straight ahead to the yellow line. BIF receiving. Load is secure. Easy now. Watch the clearance on the right.
I got it, coming out.
Bring it straight back to bay 3.
The diameter here is completely off spec.
Let me see the schematic. That section is definitely beyond repair.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment.
Looks good here. Clear to set. Look at the rust on that one. Yeah, I see it. Make a note. Keep an eye on the feed rate over there. Yeah. Looks steady, B.
We're seeing some discoloration on phase 3. Check the resistance reading there. The reading is high. I'll log it immediately.
Increase the tension on arm 2. It's almost clear of the housing. The flow seems consistent. Keep an eye on the weight sensors. Will do. The next batch is coming through.
The separation looks good from here. Keep the frequency steady. Steady.
All right, maintaining current levels. Look at that separation.
Running perfectly since the upgrade.
We need to increase the pressure on the left side. The strap is backing up. All right, I'm adjusting the controls now.
Check the pressure on line 4.
It's holding steady at 50 psi. Noted.
We're running a bit hot over here.
Yeah, I'm adjusting the flow rate now.
This batch looks clean, but check the density on these 3.
Already on it. Looks within tolerance.
The merge rate is holding steady at 50 tons per hour.
Good. Keep monitoring the alignment on lane 3.
Looks good from here.
The flow rate on screen 3 is still high. We need to adjust the vibration frequency.
The flow rate is optimized according to the BIF specifications.
Yes, the purity levels look excellent on the panel.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. It's running high. It is steady, but I will keep monitoring it.
Check the grade analysis on conveyor 4. The optical scanners are showing inconsistent readings. Confirmed. Adjusting the sort parameters now.
The scanner confirms 99% purity on this section.
Excellent. BIF standards achieved.
Monitor the input on silo 3. We are reaching the limit. Confirmed. The flow rate is optimized.
We need to adjust this idler.
I'm logging the deviation right now.
Okay, try a quarter turn clockwise.
Maintain the Curr's cycle speed. Systems holding steady at 90% capacity.
Keep an eye on that flow rate. Looks steady, Supervisor. Temperature's holding.
Ignition sequence engaged. Pressure holding steady at 200 psi. Main burners are fully lit. Temperature holding steady at 1500. Confirmed. Running diagnostics on Sector 4 now.
Skim the surface, get that slag moving. All right, pushing it towards the channel.
We have ignition. Confirmed. B unit is green across the board. Adjusting the graphite rod now. Keep it steady, watch the temperature.
Heat levels stable on line 3.
Acknowledged. Cooling sequence engaged.
Check the temperature on line 3, it's cooling too fast.
I see it. Adjusting the flow now. The XRF reading on this batch is consistent with the specification.
Excellent. Let's verify the dimensions on the next ingot.
The surface finish on this batch is exceptional.
I agree. The new rollers are working perfectly.
The trace elements are below the threshold on this sample.
Good. The recycled material is meeting our standards. The throughput on line 3 is exceeding projections.
Yes, the calibration seems perfect now.
This ingot here seems slightly off spec. The lasers conform the polish grade is acceptable.
The readout is showing a slight fluctuation here.
I see it. It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on it.
Keep coming forward. All right, easy now and stop.
The sorting sequence looks good on the monitor. Yes, the BIF process is running smoothly.
BIF team, this load is secure. Proceeding to the next trailer.
The manifest is clear. This shipment is good to go. The next truck is already at the south gate. Keep them moving efficiently.
Check the tension on spool 12.
Looks good from here, almost full.
Get ready for the changeover.
We need to secure this run before the next pour.
Already on it, just need the longer ties over here. To the left, slowly now. Watch the straps on the right. Looks good, secure it.